Now we will see about the comparison operators in Python. This is also very much handy and very much crucial topic in the Python while you are doing the coding, because certain time we need to check certain conditions, and on the basis of certain conditions we need to run the code or we need to execute the output. Okay, so let us try to understand what is comparison operators in Python. So Python provides several comparison operators, also known as relational operators, which are used to compare two values and return a Boolean result, either true or false. These operators are fundamental for controlling program flow through the conditional statements. Okay, so we will try to understand the common comparison operators in Python are: the first one is the equal to. So what it will be does, it will be check if two operands are in equal in value or not. Okay, so let's say x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10, and we have to check x equal to y or not. If x and y both are equal, then the output will be true. If both are not equal, then the output will be false. So let me go through it. To add the code here, simply click on code, Control V. I'm just copy paste the code in order to save the time. And while you are running the code first time, it might take some time to execute the code in the Google Colab. Okay, as we are aware, but once it will be connecting to the server and RAM, GPUs, TPUs, then from the next onwards your code will be run very smoothly. So as you can see here, the output is displayed true. Why? Because x and y both values are equal. If I say x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 10, then you can see my output is false. Okay, so this is the equal to output, equal to operator we can say. So what, see, generally what we are saying here, you can see age is equal to 15, then after let's say num is equal to 35. So one equal to already we are providing, another equal to we are providing for the purpose of the equal to operator. Now not equal to checks if the two operands are not in equal in value or not. Okay, so those two operands are checking. Let's say a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 8. Print a exclamation mark not equal to b. So this is a symbol of not equal to. Okay, that is the exclamation mark and equal to, right? The combination of exclamation mark and equal to in Python, it will be treated as the not equal to. So a not equal to b, that one will be become the true. Why? Because here a and b both values are different. So let me go to the run and let me type here a is equal to 1, and here I'm writing not equal to, and let me run the code. So as you can see, it is showing you the true. Why? Because x and y, here in our case x and y both values are different. So x and y is not equal to, yes, both are not equal to, so the output is true. If x and y both are equals, then the output will be false. So that this one will be act completely opposite to the equal to operator. Okay, similarly greater than, so it will be check the condition, right? A is greater than b or b is greater than c, right? And on the basis of that it will be give you the output. Let me show you here x and y. If x is greater than y, no, because x is not greater than y. But let's say x is equal to 100. So now x is greater than y. Okay, similarly less than, simple, it will be do the or exactly check the opposite condition. So let me run the code. X is less than y, in our case no, so it will becomes the false. Similarly, greater than or equal to and less than or equal to, right? So in that, if both values are same, then it will be also considered as a true. So let me write it here. Here, if x and y both are equal to same, so if x is greater than equal to 10, so here the condition is true, or x is less than or equal to y, also true because both are equal. But let's say if we change the value, x is less than or equal to y, yes, true, but x is greater than or equal to y, no, so it will be display the false. Similarly, less than or equal to, that's what we have seen, right? So these operators are very crucial for creating logical conditional conditions in if, ellipse, else statements and loops, okay, allowing program to make decisions and execute different blocks of code basis on the comparison result, okay. So what we have seen, that is also mentioned at here in form of summary. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. They return either true or false depending on the result of the comparison. So equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. Here example is also given and result is also given, right? So these are the some practice, x and y both values we have given here, and that we can see and that we can compare. So this is called as a comparison operators in Python.